equity option trader but new to FX. You set several take profit levels. Do you have recommendations about raising stops as those are hit or selling percent of the position? So that's a good question. So I don't think I have this in my new Telegram channel, but in my old Telegram channel, I had a set of rules for taking my trades and most of our trades. I'll post those rules again in the new channel, but basically, the very simple rule is, and I'll actually just do an example since we're already here. For example, let's say I call a sell signal on USD/CHF, and why don't we make it realistic? We'll go on the smaller time frame and actually give a setup. So let's say, also with that strategy, we go to the daily and 4 hourly and draw our lines as well. So you can see on the daily time frame, we have a daily support right here, 0.97,000. Nice support, nice support, nice support, nice support, and right here. So let's say we're looking for a short, right? Let's say RP is looking for a short. He calls a sell signal on Telegram. And Edward's question is, how do I manage the position as we hit take profit levels? So let's say this is a setup I call, and I'm trying to make this. I don't know why Telegram lifts the leg. So this is a signal. I call the signal. The stop loss is 0.97700. Our entry is 0.97,000. Okay, and let's say our first take profit is somewhere down here. This is arbitrary, but I'll just do it in case. And next one's down here, and then our final one is somewhere down here. Okay, cool. So our risk management and mitigation strategy is very simple. Once a signal is called and it hits take profit 1 or 25 pips of profit, what you do is you close half your position. So once USD/CHF comes down to here, what you're going to do is go on MetaTrader, C-Trader, whatever you use, and close half your position, and then move your stop loss to the entry. So since our stop loss was here, you're going to move it down to our entry point, and you're going to move the take profit for that position down to take profit 2. And then when take profit 2 is hit, you move your stop loss down to take profit 1, and then your next take profit will be take profit 3. It's a nice kind of succession that you follow, a nice stepwise pattern, if you want to call it that, to securing profits while minimizing risk. So that's what we do. And the reason why we secure profits at 25 pips is, on average, most pairs tend to move 25 pips per session, 25 to 40. And it's better to get 25 pips than lose 50 trying to get that extra 5. So we like to take what the market gives us and minimize greed. So that's how we manage our positions. If you're going to be asleep, then just go ahead and get take profit 1 and call it a day. But if you're going to be awake, it takes 2 minutes to open up a new position or manage it. Another thing you can do is maybe open up 2 positions, one for take profit 1 and the other for take profit 2. Just keep in mind that you don't risk more than maybe 2% per trade, because if you risk 2% per trade, you can lose 5 straight trades and you're only down 10% on your account. And it's very rare to lose 5%. 5 trades in a row. I don't think we've ever had that, but just an example. So 2% per trade, and that's how we manage our trades. Someone asked